this recipe, all you need is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 4 eggs, make sure they are big sizes, 3 teaspoons baking powder, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You will also need a mixing bowl for this. Clean bowl. I'm just going to pour my eggs into it. You can use a hand mixer or a hand whisk for this, okay? Just to whisk in. After whisking a bit, I'm going to add my flavor and then whisk for say 5 seconds before adding. I'm going to gradually add up my my sugar. Okay, let's put about 5 seconds or more. Vegetable oil, 1 cup, and then we'll whisk again for another 5 seconds. We are done creaming our sugar, egg, and oil. So at this point, we're going to add our flour into it gradually. But then, let's not forget to add our baking powder into our flour, okay? Just the baking powder, not with the baking soda. It has been sieved already. My milk. See how creamy it looks. We're going to add our baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and also 1 teaspoon of vinegar. This will be the last ingredient we are adding before putting it in the pan for baking. So we're going to cream again. So we have our lined pan here, which is about 9 inches. Our cake is out of the oven. You can see how nice it looks. We're going to bring it out and cut so you can see the inside. It's nice. As you can see, it's delicious, it's fluffy, it tastes really nice. I'd like you to all try this and drop your comments. I'd like to see your work and also hear from you. Thanks for supporting Vine Cakes. Thanks for being part of us. We appreciate your love and support. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel, drop your comments, and remember to turn on your notification bell. Thank you.